We just got another part for the Grand Prix, which is the radiator cover. We're gonna open it out. Hopefully it will fit the car. Actually, I got this part on eBay for I think $37. Everywhere else wanted like $70-$80 for the same thing. So we'll see how good this part is. All right, so I don't know if this part was used or not, and they return it because there is a little piece of grease in there. So anyway, can't complain for $35. So now let's take it to the car and see if it fits. So the thing didn't work for the radiator cover that I bought on eBay, which is not their fault. It's actually, for some reason, my my electric fans are too high up, but that's okay. So now I parked the car. It won't start or crank at all, but I think I found the culprit after looking at every single fuse that is back there. Let me turn the light on so you guys can see it. After every single fuse and everything that I check, I look at the ignition cable, and it looks, hopefully you guys can see it, it looks like it got burned there for some reason. I think it was when I put the car on a trickle charger, and by accident, I wouldn't say by accident, me being a jackass, I turned the ignition on just to check the turn signals, because I just put LED turn signals, and I guess that was too much for the little cable right there, and it burned it, as you can see. Hopefully I can get a better thing. So I'm gonna check the connectivity with this, and is that it, then I'll be happy. Such an easy fix. Well, we finally got the Grand Prix back. Come to find out, after everything I done, it was my suspicions was right. It was the ignition switch right here. As you can tell, it burned right there. This great ignition switch don't have a an accessory, I guess, when you put it on. I guess I lost my accessory by switching to the new upgraded ignition switches, but you know, the car starts and drive, and you know, it does what it's supposed to do, which I love it. I think I'm gonna detail the car, gonna leave it this color for right now, for a little bit. Maybe I'll paint it next year, but I'm enjoying this car a lot. Kid is not here. Apparently there was some rust that came up in on the windshield area, right by the T-tubs. On the Night Rider car, it was like around right in this area right here, right on that frame of the window. So they're gonna treat it, you know, replace that little piece, and hopefully the rust don't come back after they repaint it. But very happy with the car now. I enjoy driving both cars. This one, the Challenger, and the Trans Am, they're fun to drive. Until next time.